come sing with me. Let's learn sounds so easily. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. It's time for the phonics ABC. A says A like apple. B says A like ball. C says A like cat. Let's sing together all. D says A like dog. E says A like egg. F says F like fish. We're learning, shake your leg. G says G like goat. H says hair like hat. I says I like igloo. How cool is that? J says J like juice. K says K like kite. L says L like lion. Roar with all your might. M says M like monkey. N says N like nest. O says O like octopus. Phonics is the best. P says K like pig. Q says K like queen. R says A like rabbit. Jumping on the green. S says A like snake. T says T like top. U says U like umbrella. Don't let the rain drop. V says V like violin. Bobby Lou says we like whale. X says X like box. Let's go on a tail. Y says Y like yo-yo. Z says Y like zebra. Now we've sung the phonics song. Let's cheer. Hooray! A, B, C we've learned today. Each sound helps us read and play. Sing it loud, hip hip hooray! Phonics fun is here to stay.